How to give Truecaller permission to change ringtone on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, first just open a Truecaller and then click on your profile here, and once you're here click this settings icon in the top corner. Now click sounds, and here we'll find tab to give Truecaller permission to change ringtone. Click on it and allow this one here, and that's it. Then just go back, or you can just change ringtone here if you want, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.